morning. Good morning, Quezon City. How are you? Oh, hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Sunning by the pool. Not really sunning, but shading. No sun all here. Deep plan, deep plan. Water is nice and warm today, but no swimming today. I'm done with sunning. It's time for me to explore the other areas of Toronto. Follow me. So we have this beautiful sunny walkway. Hi, guard. There's a fitness gym. Shall I try? For the treadmill. Would you believe this is my first time to try a treadmill? So how does it work? Okay. Okay. So, pero pwedeng gamitin. Matigas na. Okay. The Filipino shower always has a bucket, even though there's already a working shower. Now, what do we have in the fridge aside from bills, electricity, water, laundry already paid? Okay, so cheese, ham, yogurt, eggs, and all I need is hot water and no more rice and my ingenious recipe, soft boiled egg. Yes. There goes my milk. And what's left of my egg? Clean as you go. Elevator ride exclusive for residents only. Going upstairs. There's park facing wall. I don't get it. They're all not facing the wall. Sometimes it's clean there. Sometimes it looks like this. Awesome view. And at night, it looks like this. Okay, ready to go? What do we have here? My sketchbook, my iPad, key, don't forget my beep card so that I won't have to fall in line at the MRT, and survival food. Of course, communication devices. Let's remove everything. Pull down the blinds.